Mitochondria are remarkable organelles that reside within almost every cell of our bodies. Often referred to as the cellular powerhouses, these tiny structures play a critical role in sustaining life. They are responsible for generating the majority of cellular energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the primary energy currency of cells. Without mitochondria, our cells would be unable to perform their essential functions. Mitochondria are unique in that they possess their own DNA, separate from the DNA found in the cell's nucleus. The number of mitochondria within a cell can vary depending on the cell's energy demands. Cells with high energy requirements, such as muscle cells and neurons, have a higher density of mitochondria to meet their metabolic needs. While mitochondria are best known for their role in energy production, they are also involved in a surprising array of other cellular processes. These tiny organelles are true multitaskers, contributing to cellular metabolism, calcium regulation, cell signaling, and even programmed cell death, or apoptosis. One of the key functions of mitochondria is the breakdown of carbohydrates and fats from our diet into usable energy through a process called cellular respiration. In addition to energy production, mitochondria also play a role in the synthesis of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and heme, a crucial component of hemoglobin. Mitochondria are essential for maintaining calcium homeostasis within cells. Calcium is a signaling molecule involved in numerous cellular processes, including muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and hormone secretion. Dysregulation of these signaling pathways can contribute to the development of various diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. The food we consume provides the building blocks and energy our cells need to function optimally, and mitochondria, as the powerhouses of the cell, are directly influenced by our dietary choices. A diet rich in nutrients that support mitochondrial health can enhance energy production, protect against oxidative stress, and promote overall cellular well-being. One of the most important nutrients for mitochondrial health is coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the electron transport chain. CoQ10 levels decline with age, making it essential to obtain sufficient amounts through diet or supplementation. Another critical nutrient for mitochondrial function is L-carnitine, an amino acid derivative that transports fatty acids into the mitochondria for energy production. Good sources of carnitine include red meat, poultry, and dairy products. Beyond CoQ10 and L-carnitine, a wide range of other nutrients plays a vital role in supporting mitochondrial health and energy production. B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, and biotin, are essential cofactors for enzymes involved in various stages of cellular respiration. Deficiencies in these vitamins can disrupt energy metabolism and lead to a range of health issues. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, as well as plant compounds like resveratrol, curcumin, and quercetin, help protect mitochondria from oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in fatty fish, flaxseed oil, and chia seeds are incorporated into mitochondrial membranes, influencing their fluidity and overall function. Adopting a balanced and nutrient-rich diet that prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods is paramount for providing our mitochondria with the fuel they need to function optimally. Section 5. When mitochondria malfunction. Understanding the consequences of impaired function. Mitochondrial dysfunction, a state of impaired mitochondrial function, has emerged as a significant contributor to a wide array of health problems. When these cellular powerhouses are not working efficiently, our cells cannot produce enough energy to function properly, leading to a cascade of negative consequences throughout the body. One of the hallmarks of mitochondrial dysfunction is increased oxidative stress. As mitochondria produce energy, they also generate reactive oxygen species, or ROS, as a byproduct. When mitochondrial function is compromised, ROS production can outpace the body's antioxidant defenses, leading to oxidative damage to cellular components. This oxidative damage can impair cellular function, contribute to inflammation, and accelerate the aging process. Another consequence of mitochondrial dysfunction is impaired calcium handling. Mitochondrial dysfunction and disease, unraveling the links to chronic illnesses. Mitochondrial dysfunction is linked to many chronic diseases, highlighting their crucial role in health. From neurodegenerative disorders to cardiovascular disease, cancer, and metabolic conditions, impaired mitochondrial function is a common thread. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and ALS show progressive neuron loss. Mitochondrial dysfunction is a key feature, with impaired energy production and increased oxidative stress. Cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death, is also linked to mitochondrial dysfunction. The heart's high energy demands make it vulnerable to mitochondrial impairment. Mitochondrial dysfunction in heart cells can lead to heart failure and arrhythmias. Cancer cells often rely on glycolysis, an inefficient energy production method even with oxygen. Section 7. Nurturing your cellular powerhouse. Effective strategies for mitochondrial enhancement. Given the profound impact of mitochondria on our health, it's no surprise that researchers and health enthusiasts alike are eager to discover effective ways to enhance mitochondrial function and protect these vital organelles from damage. Regular exercise, particularly endurance training, has consistently been shown to boost mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of creating new mitochondria within cells. Exercise increases energy demand, signaling the body to produce more mitochondria to meet these needs. This adaptation leads to improved energy production, enhanced fat burning, and increased insulin sensitivity. Caloric restriction, a dietary approach that involves reducing calorie intake without malnutrition, has also been shown to enhance mitochondrial function and extend lifespan in various organisms. Intermittent fasting, a dietary pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting, has gained significant attention in recent years for its potential health benefits. Section 8. Lifestyle interventions for optimal mitochondrial function. Exercise, sleep, and stress management. Beyond exercise and dietary interventions, other lifestyle factors play a crucial role in maintaining optimal mitochondrial function. Adequate sleep, effective stress management, and exposure to cold temperatures have all been shown to positively influence these cellular powerhouses. Sleep is essential for cellular repair and regeneration, and mitochondria are no exception. During sleep, our bodies have a chance to repair damaged mitochondria and produce new ones. Chronic sleep deprivation can disrupt this process, leading to mitochondrial dysfunction, increased oxidative stress, and impaired energy production. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, and mitochondria are particularly vulnerable to its detrimental effects. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature can help mitigate the negative impacts of stress on our mitochondria. Section 9. Supplements and mitochondrial support. Exploring potential benefits and considerations. In addition to lifestyle interventions, certain supplements have shown promise in supporting mitochondrial health and function. These supplements typically target specific aspects of mitochondrial function, such as enhancing energy production, reducing oxidative stress, or promoting mitochondrial biogenesis. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, as mentioned earlier, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in the electron transport chain. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound found in muscle cells, plays a crucial role in cellular energy production. Creatine supplementation can increase phosphocreatine stores in muscles, providing a readily available source of energy for short bursts of intense activity. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, a precursor to glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, has shown promise in supporting mitochondrial health. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. The future of mitochondrial health: emerging research and promising therapies. Mitochondrial research is rapidly evolving, uncovering new insights into these cellular powerhouses and their implications for health. Emerging research is paving the way for novel therapies targeting mitochondria, offering hope for treating diseases and extending lifespan. Mitochondrial transplantation involves transferring healthy mitochondria into cells with dysfunctional ones. This approach shows potential in treating mitochondrial disorders, heart failure, and stroke. Section 11. The mitochondrial quest for longevity, prioritizing cellular health for a vibrant life. Mitochondria, the unsung heroes of our cells, play a far more significant role in our health and longevity than we once realized. These tiny powerhouses are essential for generating the energy that fuels our bodies, but their influence extends far beyond energy production. Understanding the profound impact of mitochondria on our well-being empowers us to make informed choices that support their optimal function. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses lifestyle interventions, dietary modifications, and targeted supplements, we can nurture our cellular powerhouses. Prioritizing mitochondrial health is not merely about boosting energy levels. It's about investing in the vitality of our cells, the very foundation of our existence.